Good morning, student. Now open your book. See page number 5.68. Question number 20. It is saying prepare journal from the following transaction given below. Point A. Proprietor withdrew for private use 10,000 from bank. This is for private use, personal expenses. So this is the drawing. So drawing account debit to bank account 10,000. Now next one, goods costing 50,000 were burnt by fire. So loss by fire, loss by fire account debit to purchase account, loss by fire account debit to purchase account. Amount is the 50,000. Next point is purchase machinery for cash 1,50,000 and paid 2,000 on its installation. So installation charges should be added in the cost of machine. So cost of machine will be 1,52,000. So machinery account debit to cash account. Now cost of machine will be 1,52,000. Next, charges 5% depreciation on building costing 2 lakhs and 8% depreciation on furniture costing 5,000. So depreciation account debit to building account and to furniture account. Building cost is 2 lakhs into 5%. That is building depreciation will be 10,000 and 5,000 into 8%, that is 400. So total depreciation 10,400. Next, prepaid salary. So prepaid salary account debit to cash account. Prepaid salary is given 2,000. Next, couple who owed us 20,000 becomes insolvent and nothing is received from his estate. Now you have not received any amount from the couple, so all the amount will be considered as a bad debts. So bad debts account debit to couple 20,000. Now all of you see question number 23, page number 5.69. See question number 23. Sold goods costing 1,20,000 to Charu at a profit of 33.3% on cost less 15% trade discount. So cost price is given 1,20,000 plus profit is the 33.3%, 1/3, that is 40,000. So list price will be 1,60,000 and trade discount 15%. That is 24,000. So sell price will come 1,36,000. Now sold goods to Charu. So Charu debit to sales. Charu debit to sales account. Amount will be 1,36,000. In the cost price, you will add the profit, that will come list price, less trade discount, that will come sell price. Next, sold goods costing 80,000 to Arun against check at a profit of 25% on cost less 15% trade discount. So same, we will make the calculation. Cost price, it is given 80,000 and profit, this is given 25%, 20,000. So list price will come 1 lakh less trade discount 15%. This is the 15,000. So sell price will come 85,000. Now entry sold goods to Arun against check. So you have received the payment in check. Bank account debit to sales account and amount will be 85,000. Now paid by check 8,400 as a premium for a period of 12 months starting on 1st August 16. So 1st August 16 you have paid insurance premium account debit to bank account. You have made the payment 8,400. This payment you have been made on 1 August and you have made the payment for 1 year. Now means from 1st August 16 to 31st July 17. This is the period of 1 year. Our accounting period that will be 1st August 16 to 31st March 17. So April, May, June, July, 4 months insurance you have paid in advance for the next year. So 8,400 into 4 by 12, 2,800. This is called prepaid. And in this case, you will pass the entry prepaid insurance premium account debit to insurance premium account. So in the previous question, if you see this question point, here for the prepaid, you have passed the prepaid salary debit to cash. But here you have passed the entry prepaid insurance premium debit to insurance premium, because cash payment already here you have done. And out of 8,400, 2,800 amount belongs to next accounting period. That is reason this is called prepaid. And for adjustment of prepaid, at the end of year, you will pass the entry prepaid insurance premium account debit to insurance premium. And next year, on the 1st April 17, this entry will be reverse one, and you will pass the entry insurance premium account debit to prepaid insurance premium. So difference in the prepaid you will keep in mind. Thank you, student.